Good morning, students. Today we are going to read a topic of different types of the triangles in the subject of maths O levels. And here we are going to start the lecture. So, different types of the triangles. So, different types of the triangles have different properties. The first type is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal and all angles are of measure 60 degree each, because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So if we have to divide 180 degree into three equal parts, so we will divide it by 3. So each angle will be of 60 degree. So the bottom line is all three sides are equal and all base angles are equal in the equilateral triangle, and this is the shape of the equilateral triangle. The next type is isosceles triangle. This is a triangle in which two sides are equal and their base angles are equal. So if these two types, these two sides are equal, their base angles A and B will be equal. So these are the properties of the isosceles triangle. The next type of the triangle is scalene triangle. In this triangle, no side is equal and all angles are different in size. So definitely if the sides are of different measures, the angles will also be of different measures. So this is the type of the triangle which is called scalene triangle. The next type of the triangle is acute angle triangle. This is a type in which all three angles are acute, and acute is an angle which is of less than 90 degree. So all the three angles will be of lesser than 90 degree measure, and this is the shape of the acute angle triangle. Next type of the triangle is a right angle triangle. This is a triangle in which one angle is always of 90 degree and the other two angles will be of acute angles. So this is the shape of the right angle triangle in which one angle must be 90 degree, and this is the sign to represent the 90 degree measure. The next type of the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. This is a type of the triangle in which one angle is always obtuse, and obtuse is obtuse is an angle which is greater than 90 degree, and the rest of the two angles will be of acute angles, and this is the shape of the obtuse angle triangle. One angle must be obtuse and the other two angle must be acute. Thank you so much.